What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another bang on the channel. As you guys see, we got the M5 out. We got another special video for you guys. If you saw by the title, we are installing a new mod for the M5. Let me just show you guys what it looks like, and you get the gist. Before I actually show you guys what the mod looks like, let me just talk about one of the things I hate the most about the M5, which is this fake plastic carbon pattern they did in the whole interior. But today, we're going to be changing that. As you guys can see, we got full carbon fiber interior replacement from KBTuning. It is not a replacement, actually, my mistake, guys. It is a overlay that will go above all the fake carbon in the interior. This is real carbon, as you guys can see. Let me get a close-up of this carbon. Look how sick it looks. So these four pieces are for the doors. The top two are the fronts. As you can see, they're bigger than these lower two. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 for the center console. You got 1 for the whole front. And yeah, there's not any fake carbon in the rear other than the doors. So that's all we need. We're going to replace everything, show you guys how to install it, and show you guys the finished product. Let's do a little cinematic of how the car looks before, of course, so you guys can see the difference. And you have any question regarding if this fits your M5, any F90 M5, so basically 2018 to 2023, if you have a F90 M5 comp, M5 base, whatever you have and you want to get this carbon interior, I'll leave the link in my description so you guys could go purchase it. It's perfect. Literally, look at the car. You guys saw the carbon weave. It's a perfect pattern. You guys already know the drill. We're gonna grab a brand new towel because only the best for the M5. Guys, get some alcohol. Wipe down all the surfaces we're gonna be using. We do need a flathead because to get the perfect fitment for one of the pieces for the center console, we gotta take off one small panel. That's easy. Literally, a baby could do it. But we're gonna grab a brand new towel. You know what I'm saying? Brand new microfiber towel for the M5 because the M5. You guys already know that it's an M5. Come on, it's an amazing car, but my Camry's better for sure. But we're going to go ahead and wipe down all the surfaces that we're going to be putting the overlays on, just so it could stick better, and also we can make sure that it's clean. You guys, I am so sorry. We were filming this whole time for TikTok, but I completely forgot I was filming a video for YouTube as well. But we got the box right here. Let me just show you guys what we're up to so far. We got our alcohol pads here, as you guys can see, because we can't afford an actual alcohol bottle. You know, we're too broke. If anyone wants to donate an alcohol bottle, let me know. But we're wiping down basically the surface, drying it up with that towel. So far we did the driver door. It's all done, as you guys can see. This is the finished product. Looks amazing. We did this piece right here as well. Looks sick. We just gotta wait till the whole car's finished. But basically what we're doing is it comes with 3M tape already. I peeled it off, wiping this down with alcohol, drying it down with the towel, and then sticking that bad boy on. And another thing I want to mention is if you guys are planning to get this for your F90 M5, make sure you can see that ambient lighting sticking out, just to make sure you're not blocking it. And yeah, as you can see, the ambient lighting is on and it's right there, but we're all good. All right, let me show you guys how to open a alcohol pad. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna wipe it down and just get straight to it. And just like that, guys, as you can see, it has that perfect fitment for this door. It's on, looks amazing. This door's done, that door's done. We gotta see when there's better lighting because right now ooh, I don't know if you guys see that carbon weave. That was crazy, but the sun is too bright. It's killing me and it's killing you guys too. But let's get to the other side. We're gonna do this door, then the front passenger, and we'll do the center console next. Finish all the doors. As you can see, the rear doors are open, otherwise I would be able to see it. But just make sure you're doing the bottom part of it first, and the rest will line up so that you don't block the ambient lighting. So at nighttime you don't drive with a dark interior. But we're gonna see at night how it's gonna look. And yeah, but the next parts we have to do is this right here, which goes all the way here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this little panel inside here to get better access, to make sure it fits. There's one piece for this and one piece for this thing that rolls back and forth. It's gonna look very nice. And then we have one whole big piece for this. I don't know what I should do for the silver because I know we're gonna be changing the steering wheel, the chrome part, at least the chrome, get new paddle shifters. And it's gonna be weird if we have all this chrome all over the car. But yeah, we'll see. Let's start with this, and we got much more to come. All right, guys, so what I did for this last piece, which is this right here, you gotta take off a panel. It's pretty simple. It's this little piece. All you gotta do is stick a flathead literally right here and just ply it up, and it comes right off easy, just to get better access to like this little spot right here, just to make sure you get the perfect fitment. You don't have to worry about it. And it goes all the way over here, so it's much better if you do it like this way and not just force it in there. Plus, it's not even that hard to take that panel off. The hardest part about doing this is literally taking off the 3M tape because it takes so much time. Look how much I have there, how much I have in that box. But let's go ahead and do it. And just, so far, it's basically, we're done. We just have this last piece. It looks amazing though. Take a look at the finished product. The whole interior is carbon fiber. Take a look at that with the doors being done. It looks so nice. We just gotta change all the chrome and stuff in the interior, and then the carbon will look much better. But look at that. Fits perfectly. If you guys want to purchase this kit, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. It's perfect fitment. You just have to put it on top of what you already have, and make sure you don't block your ambient lighting. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you all. We'll see you guys next video. Peace out.